In the work we do today, the path is not always clear. Our minds are full of ideas, like leaves in the wind, and we need a way to gather them and lay them out plainly. This is why we turned to mind mapping and diagramming, to give shape to the invisible and find the right direction. To help us in this task, Wondershare offers us two strong guides, EdrawMax and EdrawMind. EdrawMax is a vast canvas built for detailed technical plans and complex diagrams, while EdrawMind is a focused tool for weaving your scattered thoughts into a strong, connected map. Today, we will sit with both of them to see which one is the right companion for your journey. To understand these tools, we must first look at where we stand when we open them. When you first step into EdrawMind, you will notice the air is clear and the interface is incredibly clean. It is built on a foundation of three core sections: the left panel, the center space, and the right panel. On the left, you have your main navigation, which is where you will plant your seeds, creating new folders, accessing cloud files, looking through the public template gallery, or managing your team space. It even features the hot AI mind map tool right there for quick access. The central area is your canvas, where you see the different templates to start your journey. That right navigation bar holds the tools for crafting slides, boosting productivity, and accessing AI creation features. Everything from the color guides to the layout feels functional and easy to walk through. Now, crossing over to look at EdrawMax, the feeling changes slightly. When you create an account, you are greeted with something vast. Scrolling down, you see a huge template library containing about 210 types of diagrams and more than 30,000 templates. It is truly massive. At the top, you see different categories like project management, mind maps, and marketing. But forget those for a moment and look at the fire in the center, which is EdrawAI. You can draw many things here with features like AI chat for instant support and AI drawing for creating stunning images. For diagramming, you get specialized tools where a one-line description can build a flowchart or a pest analysis. It brings a power that lets you analyze documents and diagrams with intelligent data, showing just how deep EdrawMax AI goes. Speaking of functionality, let's actually build something to see how strong the timber is. How do you create and manage a knowledge base in EdrawMind? You start by clicking the Create button. Many options will appear, but we will start with a blank mind map. When you land in the main editor, it might look like there are too many paths, but do not worry. You start with a small central point. Look to the left corner where you have four crucial views: mind map, outline, Kanban, and slides. These are just different ways of looking at the same story. The outline view is like a clean list for linear thinkers, while the Kanban board turns topics into cards, perfect for moving project tasks around. Let's say we want to build a knowledge base on digital marketing. We rename the main topic, then add subtopics like SEO, content marketing, and PPC. You can add floating topics for ideas that are still drifting, or add multiple topics at once. The strength comes when you connect them, drawing a relationship line from content planning to content marketing to visually link the concepts. On any topic, you can insert detailed notes, voice notes, tags, or to-do checklists. A feature we really respect is the split view. You can have your map on the left and a detailed notes editor on the right, letting you see the big picture while writing the details. We tested this with thousands of words, and it holds up perfectly. But for the students and professionals among us, the AI slide generation is a true helper. Once your map is built, you click the AI slide feature, select a template, and within a minute, it creates a full presentation. This is incredibly useful for sharing wisdom in meetings. Beyond just building, EdrawMind separates itself with its AI capacities. We tested it by feeding it long texts, complex URLs, and even YouTube videos. In each case, it analyzed the content and generated a structured map. There is also the EdrawAI chat widget in the corner to help generate ideas or write SWOT analyses. It even has AI drawing to create visuals like a blue robot holding a pencil, and image text extraction to pull words from a book of a picture. From generating a map with a single prompt to exporting your map as an animated video or audio podcast, it packs a whole suite of tools into one experience. Now let's travel to the other side and let EdrawMax make some diagrams for us. We'll start with a project management diagram. We could drag and drop elements manually, but since EdrawMax is strong with AI, we'll look for the sparkle in the bottom right corner. We simply tell it to make an intuitive project management diagram. That's it. If we need to change a node, we just pick it and move it. It's a fast approach that saves many hours. We also asked it to map our mind, requesting a comprehensive map of how we think and work. The response was surprisingly close, categorizing our thoughts well, and we could tweak whatever didn't match our spirit. Let's say we need a timeline for a one-week project. We go back to the AI tools, select AI timeline, and tell it to assign a task for each day. From day 1 to day 7, it organizes the time exactly as requested. We also looked at a SWOT analysis for a software project. It showed us its ability to analyze complex situations quickly with precise design. If you need a table or a list, you just describe it and the AI builds it with detailed responses. A truly magical feature is the magic wand. Open any diagram, click the wand, and it automatically changes the design, which is very effective for quick changes. We pushed it further by asking the Lean canvas to analyze Disney's business model. It visualized the model into the canvas beautifully. We tried a pest analysis for the new energy vehicle market, and it showed the political and economic advancements precisely. Even for user stories, it created a detailed map showing us scenarios and needs. For those running teams, you can generate UML models or organizational charts by simply picking a template and letting the AI do the heavy lifting. If you're from a networking background, the Cisco network templates allow you to visualize topology beautifully. For database modeling or employee hierarchies, the library offers plenty of options. Marketers can explore marketing funnels that work great as infographics. And for strategy, the annual meeting templates help you plan effectively. Architects and engineers are not forgotten either, with floor plans and complex circuit diagrams to visualize your work. Even graphic designers and students have a place here, with infographics and science templates that make exploring new ideas the best part of the journey. All this AI power is great, but sometimes you don't want to start with a blank canvas. This brings us to the EdrawMind template library, which is genuinely massive. You're getting thousands of templates for book summaries, project plans, and class notes. We browse through it, and whether you're a writer or a project manager, there's a structure waiting for you. It helps you take better notes from the start. Sharing is also vital, and EdrawMind handles this well. You can share your knowledge base via a link or QR code, controlling whether people can view or edit. A feature we didn't expect is the data dashboard, which shows analytics like word count and traffic, fascinating for those sharing knowledge publicly. Turning back to EdrawMax, beyond the AI, it has great strength as a design tool. It's great for everything from P&IE layouts to graphic design. It gives you powerful drawing tools, allowing you to add custom connection points, use a pen tool for details, and combine shapes smartly. You can save your own templates, use the formula editor, or generate QR codes. And since it works across desktop, web, and mobile, you can pick up your work wherever you are, ensuring the flow of your creativity never stops. So we reach the end of the trail. If your work focuses on brainstorming, taking structured notes, and organizing complex thoughts into a knowledge base, EdrawMind is the tool that will support you best. However, if you need a professional, all-in-one diagramming solution for engineering, business analysis, or technical design, with powerful AI generation, EdrawMax is your answer. Choose the one that helps you tell your story best.